In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe a customer to HubSpot, and we're going to make it easy. Whether you're managing a few or an entire database of contacts, staying on top of your subscription settings in HubSpot is essential for effective communication with your clients. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You'll find yourself staring at the familiar interface that perfectly balances functionality with ease of use. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. If you're a regular user of HubSpot, this step is as routine as your morning coffee. But for those who are newer to the platform, just follow along closely. After you click Login, go ahead and sign in with your credentials on the login page. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home screen. This is where all the magic begins. You're now on the dashboard filled with various tools and options specifically designed to help you manage business operations effectively. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the CRM option. This menu is your gateway to managing customers, leads, and opportunities. Now within the CRM, find and click on Contacts. This is where you'll see a list of all your contacts housed in HubSpot. Now that you have the list of contacts open, it's time to select the particular contact you wish to resubscribe. Browse through your list and click on the contact's name to view their details. Clicking on the contact will bring up their profile page, loaded with rich data and insights into their interactions with your company. Once you're on the contact's profile, direct your attention to the options available on this page. You'll see a More option, which often holds additional functions you might need. Go ahead and click on More, which will expand a drop-down menu containing several actions you can perform. From this drop-down, you want to select Edit Communication Subscriptions. This action takes you to a page where you can manage the subscription settings for this contact. Your task here is to simply update their communication preferences, effectively resubscribing them to the content they need, and allowing you to maintain or re-establish a steady line of communication. Check the appropriate boxes or select the newsletters and updates you want the contact to receive, ensuring that what you're sending is relevant and welcomed by your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully resubscribed a customer to HubSpot. It really is that straightforward. Keeping your contact's subscriptions updated helps ensure that each communication you send lands appropriately, keeping them engaged and informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tricks.